students, after completing the work of book number 5, you have to open your English workbook, okay, in which you have to take out the page number 5050 and 5151. Page number 5050 and 5151. Okay, students, please mention today's date on both the pages and please put check on classwork. Students, here we are going to write capital Q and small q. As you all know, we had done this letter, so we have to do practice here only. Okay, so we will be speak and write and say the sound also. Q, qua, quail. So first of all, we will be trace this letter. Which letter is this? Capital Q. Which letter is this? Capital Q. Which letter is this? Speak with me. Capital Q. We have to make one circle from red line to blue line. Then make one slant line. But this slant line should not be touched to the blue line and should not be touched to the red line. This is the letter capital Q. Okay. See, I'll show you the formation from red to blue. We will start from red, come to the blue, then close it. Then we will be making one slant line from here only. Okay, we will be not touch to the upper line, not touch to the red line. It's capital Q. Speak. Capital Q. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quite. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quilt. Q, qua, quiver. Q, qua, quill. Q, qua, quinin. Q, qua, quite. Q, qua, quilt. Q, qua, quiver. Capital Q. Which Q is this? It's capital Q. Which Q? Capital Q. Q says qua. Q says qua. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, quiet. Q, qua, quiver. Q, qua, quail. Now come to the page number 5151. In this page we will learn how to write small q. So Q, qua, quite. Firstly make one curve towards right hand side from blue line to blue line. Then make one standing line from blue line to red line. Then we will go little bit up. But this line should not be touched to this blue line. Okay. Do you know how to make number 9? Like this. Make one standard. This is the number 9. Then little bit slant line we will do up. Okay. Not so much. This line should not be touched to the blue line. So let's start. Blue line to blue line. Make one curve. One standing line and little bit up like this. Small q. Which q is this? Small q. Q, qua, quite. Q, qua, quite. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, queen. Q, qua, quiver. Q, qua, quiver. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quilt. Q, qua, quilt. Q, qua, quit. Q, qua, quit. Q, qua, quiz. Q, qua, quiz. Q, qua, quite. Q, qua, quite. Okay, students, in this way you have to complete these two pages, page number 5050 and 5151. Okay.